Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. There are so many sublimation tote bags out there, but the only one you should be getting is this set from Lzerking, and here's why. The quality is the best I've come across so far. I've tried other bags and it's so frustrating ordering a specific size only for it to be much smaller when it actually shows up. Not the case with these bags. The listing has them as 14.5 by 16.3, but it's actually closer to 15 by 16.5, which is great. This is such a good size, big enough to even fit a 16-inch laptop. The seams, handle, and stitching are all well done, and overall the bag feels sturdy, and the best part is that this is consistent for all 24 bags. Now, I cannot tell you the level of excitement I felt to sublimate on these. I have an auto heat press and I set it to 385 for 70 seconds, and my designs came out so good. The colors are vibrant and they pop really nice off of this tote. If you have a small business like I do, quality is important and neither you or your customers are going to be disappointed with this bag. It will definitely be my go-to choice, but that's just my point of view.